Every LinkedIn post I publish, every cold email I send out, every YouTube script I film, all written with AI. And the funny thing is, no one can tell. In the last video, I showed you how my AI agents post on LinkedIn completely on autopilot. Writes the post, schedules them, publishes them with no human in the loop except for quality control, of course. And a few of you have asked me, cool, but who actually writes the content? Fair question, because if the writing is bad, none of the automations even matter. So today I'm going to show you how I got AI to sound exactly like me, not AI slop, actual content that sounds like something that I wrote, because in a way, I did. Here's what we'll cover. Here's what I'll cover. First, how I gave AI my brain. Second, I'll show you the 3 content engines, LinkedIn posts, cold emails, and YouTube scripts. Third, the feedback loop, how the AI gets better every single week without me retraining it. Let's get into it. Most people still use AI like a vending machine. They just throw in a random prompt and then spend hours optimizing it to make it sound like them. That's not a system, that's extra work with extra steps. I did the exact opposite. Before I asked Claude to even write a single piece of content, I give it everything it needed to think like me. Brand briefs, writing samples, dozens of them. This is Claude Code. And these are my memory files. Think of them as the AI long-term memory. Every time I give feedback, it saves that as a permanent rule. So the AI isn't guessing what I sound like anymore. It knows my preferences, my style of voice, my tone of voice. And here's the part that no one talks about. The magic isn't the AI. It's the context that you give to the AI. All right, let me show you the engines. First, LinkedIn. Every week I run one command, /LinkedIn engine. It then starts with research. What's trending in the AI and creative space? Then it generates 3 posts for the week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Different formats, hot takes, frameworks, behind the scenes builds. Each one has a hook, a body, a CTA, and a visual prompt for the image. And here's the thing most people don't believe. I rarely edit these. Like the quality that I'm getting out of running that command is so superbly good. It's crazy. I literally, maybe like I'm switching out like a word or two here and there, but besides that, it sounds perfectly like what I would say. Second engine, cold emails. And this one's interesting because cold emails are literally the hardest piece of content to write well. You've got maybe 4 seconds to get someone's attention. So I didn't just let AI freestyle, I built a whole formula. I gave it examples of real cold emails that have worked for me in the past, real frameworks basically. I call it the neural email formula. 5 elements, each one targeting a different part of the brain. The subject line triggers pattern interrupt. 4 to 8 words, no clickbait. The opening creates an insight. Not a compliment, not an I love your brand, an actual observation about their business. Then there's a stakes element. What consumers already notice. Then the bridge. I already mocked up 3 different directions for you. You want to see it? An available reward, not a promised reward. And the CTA is 0 friction. And the CTA, 0 friction. Happy to send them over if you're curious. And here's what makes it work. The AI does all the deep research on the brand. It scrapes their website, it goes on their Instagram, it analyzes what kind of content is missing. And then it finds the gap. So the email is everything but generic. It finds specific content gaps for that brand and mentions it in the cold email. It references something very specific that the brand knows is true. Claude Code now literally writes better cold emails than I would do manually. Trust me, I've tested both. Third one, this one is a meta one right now, YouTube scripts. The script you're listening to right now is all written by my system. I run a single command called /contentweek. It scores video ideas based on search volume, virality factor, and how well they will fit my channel. It picks the best topics and it then writes full production ready scripts. Timestamps, pattern interrupts, visual cues, teleprompter version, literally everything. But here's what makes it different from just asking ChatGPT to write a script. It knows my format. It knows I do pattern interrupts every 60 to 90 seconds. It knows I open it with a problem chain that connects to the previous video. It knows which kind of previous video I have posted. It knows I end with a bridge to the next video. And it knows I want dry humor, not cringe jokes. Casual friend kind of tone, not a guru energy. All of that is not magic. It's documented. It's basically just a system prompt. The AI just follows rules that I wrote and now will follow them forever. And that's the actual insight here. You don't need better AI. You need better context for your AI. The model is just the engine, but the context, the memories, the feedback, the rules, that's the driver. Now to a question you might be asking yourself, how does he edit all of those videos? You will be surprised, but the entire video you just watched was edited by AI. all the motion graphics, all the sound effects, all the music, everything AI, except for me, like this right here, what you see, this is real. Everything else completely edited with AI. Literally overnight, I went to bed, woke up in the morning, the video was done and ready to be published on YouTube. If you want to find out how to do that and how to learn to get AI to edit your videos for free, automatically, overnight, tap on this video. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. Subscribe if you like this video, leave a like, leave a comment, share this with someone you think who might be interested in this kind of stuff. And I'll see you in this video right over here. See you in the next one. Bye.